So Africa is really blessed to have an amazing recipe. Anything delicious we have in Africa. And this is one recipe from Ghana. And today's recipe is one food that is almost lost in the system. It's really amazing to learn how to prepare this food, Abe Nkati Konto, which is palm nut fruit with peanut butter and cocoyam leaves. Everything mixed together to make this recipe. A delicious account food, man, you have no idea about. So, man, you see how succulent the soup look like? Damn! It's also easy to prepare, and after watching this video, you can make your own Abe Nkati Konto at home. And when this soup is ready, you can serve it fufu, rice, kokonte, banku, etc. But today's recipe, we will eat it with coconte, which is dry cassava flour stirred like a full form. Okay, delicious, man, you love it. Yeah, so let's go to the market to get our local ingredients or our fresh ingredients to prepare this recipe. Man, if this is the first time watching, kindly share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. Okay, we see Sindaco or Kodo.
So I found myself in Winneba in the central region of Ghana, and over here is the central market in Winneba. Over here, Tuesdays and Friday are the market days. So I'm here with my auntie, and she's going to teach us how to prepare Abe Nkati Konto in the traditional local way. So basically, we are here for the basic ingredients, which is palm nut fruit, peanut butter, fresh pepper, turkey berries, fish, taro leaves or cocoyam leaves, tomatoes, beef, cow skin, okra, etc. And since we're making this the traditional way, we will not be adding any cubes inside the soup. So I hope you stay to the end and see how to prepare this amazing recipe. Let's do this.
So we have our palm fruit over here, locally known as Abe. Okay, so this will be easy to make the soup. So this together with the garlic paste and the taro leaf, which is contombre. So this is a mixture of the local palm fruit and the planted one. So basically the local one is the one that grows by itself, and the agricultural one is the one that you plant. Okay. So the fruit is being mixed together. Turkey berries. Turkey berries. Turkey berries. So before we boil everything, we'll be adding our pepper and the turkey berries on top of this palm fruit. Okay. This lady is explaining something about the palm fruit. So basically we have two fruits over here, which is the local and the agric. As I said earlier, the local one is the one that plants or that grows by itself. Okay. And the agric one is the one that you buy the seed or the nursery, then you plant yourself. But she was saying something unique about the oil. What is the difference between these two?
Agric one, no, a day on apple no other. Agric one, no, look at no oil light.
Local one. Okay, so basically the local one, the local fruits or the local palm fruits produce more oil, but not unlike the Greek one. And also the oil of the local one is light. It doesn't solidify, it doesn't freeze after cooking. But then the Greek one, the one that you plant, it has more oil after cooking or extracting. But the oil solidifies or it freezes after cooking. So if you see any oil which is being frozen or being solidified after cooking, that means that oil is a local agric oil. Okay, and the one that is light and doesn't solidify or freeze, the local one. So that's the difference. After they've squeezed the oil, they boil it before it gets 100% okay. So we're about to boil it. Yeah, so this is the oil. Man, this is interesting. So we just added our oil, we added water to it, and she's about to add onions to it. Or simply because since we're about to consume this oil, she needs to add onions to it so that it will be like it will have that flavor, yeah, that perfume kind of aroma. No? Yeah, so this is the process of making red oil. So we start by washing our fish or meat, everything. Okay, so the soup can now goes in, and we do take off the scale from the fish. You can also add your meat if you want. Okay, you can ignore the fish and add meat if you want. Anyway, anyhow. So this is the pot that we're using to prepare the soup. Okay, so we've washed our herring and fish and the beef, and it goes inside here like that for the basement. Okay. Add a bit of salt. Steam the fish. So we have our palm fruit being ready with the pepper and everything. So we're about to grind our pepper. So take everything out. So we're about to pound our palm fruit and goes inside here like this. So this is called Abe in Ghana, and it's palm fruit. You can eat it like this. Even when it's raw, you can still eat it. Okay, but most people prefer it when it's boiled. So you can get red oil from this, and you make soup with it, called palm nut soup in Ghana. We're from Ghana. Okay, it's a very delicious meal. And anytime you visit Ghana, you have to try it. So we are using the water that was used to boil the palm fruit. The pounded. So after pounding, you add water to make sure that you have all the food or the food out. Okay. So the liquid that will come out from here will be what we use for the soup. So we are squeezing this and we pound this again. Okay, so first squeeze, it goes inside the mortar again because we pound it because we believe there's more food inside. So like that until we get all the chaff out. So basically this chaff can also be used to set fire. So make our first sieving of the soup or the liquid. So we see to let the chaff can go inside the main soup. So this is what they also use for palm kernel oil. So this is the chaff of the sieved liquid. So we sieve this thing again, and this will go on top of the fire. So we are sieving for the second time, and now we have our steamed fish over here. So for the second time it's going in. So basically this is how palm nut soup is done, the basic. So you have a minion chaff over there. So this is the second pounding of the chaff, making sure that all the food is gone out, take everything out. So after pounding, we take them back. Okay, so this is the liquid from the palm kernel. So we wash the palm kernel to get that liquid. So the second pounded stuff goes in here and we mash everything together, making sure that all the foods are out. Yeah, so after second pounding, we've sieved it and this is the second time we're sieving. Okay, so we add up to the first one. So we have our paste over here, peanut paste over here. So this will be mixed together with the soup. So we add in our tomato paste to the peanut. Okay, then we mix everything together. So we mix our, what do you call it, tomato paste and the peanut butter together. So we have our boiling soup over here with the palm soup. Now we're about to add in our mashed peanut butter. So you can choose to steam this separately and add, or you can add it like this as we're doing right now. So it's two different ways you can do. So we're about to wash our taro leaf or cocoyam leaves. Okay, so this also go inside. We boil this and to go inside. You can also chop it and just add inside your soup. Okay. So we have our boiling soup over here after adding the peanut butter. Okay, now take off the tomatoes to the Sindaco poyoyo. So we add it to our paste. Okay, we got everything together. So this was the pepper and the picky berries. Okay, so we add everything together like this. Okay, we're now adding our fish to the soup and also our So we're now adding our blended seasoning. Okay, so pepper, turkey berries, and tomatoes. Okay, so we mix inside like this. So Abenkati Konto is ongoing. And now take off the onion and we grind that one too. We add our garlic. We're now adding our blended onion, garlic, and ginger. So ginger was added, but I didn't take the video of the ginger. So ginger was added, ginger, garlic, and onion, and yeah, it goes in like that. So Abenkati Konto. So Africa is really blessed to have an amazing recipe. Anything delicious we have in Africa, and this is one recipe from Ghana. I can't, and I mean, it's really amazing to learn how to prepare this food. Abenkati Konto. Yeah, it's one of the old recipes we have in Ghana. Abenkati Konto. Interesting. So we're about to blend or grind our cocoyam leaves. It goes inside the blender. You have our cocoyam leaves, water leaves. You grind everything together, and this will go inside. As I said, you can decide to chop this and add it inside the soup, or you can blend it, boil and blend. Afterwards, this water will also go inside the soup. You can't just waste the liquid from the cocoyam leaves. So we're adding in our cocoyam leaves, water leaves, and it goes in like that. Okay, so as I said, Abenkati Konto. So palm fruit with peanut butter, yeah, and the cocoyam leaves, water leaves, all go inside like that. So as you can see, an amazing food from the Akan tribe, and I mean, it is what it is. So that's the oil from the palm fruit. Okay, we're now adding our salted fish, you know, or shark, goes in like that, kako. Then we're adding our okra as well. See how succulent the soup look like. Damn! This is the main distinction for shizzle manizzle, man, for the pap and okra. So we have Abenkati, which is dry cassava flour. Okay, so this is a dry cassava flour, and it goes inside hot water. So you have a hot water on fire, and it goes inside like that. Okay, so like that. So this is the brother of fufu. So dry cassava flour goes inside, and you add your flour and start to stir, making sure that all the lumps and everything is gone. So this food over here, I believe, or personally believe, this is cheaper than fufu, right? Yeah, so it's most affordable food at the chop bar. So Kokonte against Abenkati Konto, man, can you imagine? Amazing. So hot water, we have some of the hot water over here. So after stirring for like 10-15 minutes, we have something like this. The consistency has changed. Okay, adding water to it and stirring gives this unique texture. We also have other version that looks more brown. It all depends on the process of how the cassava was done or was kept. Okay, so when the cassava is kept nicely, you have a white coconut like this. So this is our soup. Okay, and over here too, you have the coconut. So yeah, you have a dish out. Man, we're done with our food and man, a pot full of gold. Man, try. Anyway, so hey, man, let's take a bite. Man, it's very soft. So this is what the Nigerians call it swallow. Wow. How do? Wow, man, this is so delicious. So you have the feel of the peanut inside also, but it's not much. Okay, it's not much. It's so amazing. This is too appetizing. Wow, this is so delicious. So You have the okra, okay, the cow kanda, the fish, man, amazingly. Amazing, man. This is a must-try food. You need to try this food. Abe Nkati Konto. Man, try for shizzle my nasal. I never taste it. Never taste. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If this is the first time watching, can you share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. Man, I'm doing this because of the fries. Anyway, let's meet again. Cooking with Sindaco, African food to the world. Man,